This weather, it looks like, yes, we're going to end up with some very warm conditions and downright hot. And right now things are bubbling up across the east, showers popping up in the mountains and drifting off into the plains, and we do have the potential to see a few severe storms, so we're going to get to that in just a bit. But first off, let's start out here in the southeast, and obviously a good crop of showers, especially back off into Texas. But you can see even for Talis back towards Clovis getting a little bit of action here. And what you're going to see with this, upwards 45 mile per hour, 50 mile per hour sustained winds, or gusts I should say, and then penny-sized hail. The same goes with these storms that are rolling into the Carlsbad area at this time. Off towards the north, things are relatively quiet. We did see a decent little storm that rolled off the Sangre de Cristos here about an hour or two ago. Things have kind of quieted down in that realm, but this essentially is going to be the area, the northeastern areas of the states, Union and Quay County, where we could see some severe weather popping up as we head on in the evening. That is in effect until 9 o'clock tonight. Temperatures right now, 70s and 80s to the north, a few 90s stretching across the south, and dew points. And this is just an area or an indication of where the moisture is at. And, of course, that is where we pop the showers. Much of the west is quiet, and thus the sunny skies. Wind speeds will be a little bit breezy, especially around some of those storms that have popped up. Elsewhere, though, winds not really a huge problem. We are starting to punch in some drier air into the region. However, tomorrow we got a little disturbance that's going to pull in some moisture, or at least help to get some moisture going tomorrow afternoon across the southeast. So Chavez, Lee Eddy counties, you could see some showers back up to Otero County as well, while the rest of us stays fairly quiet. And even things by Wednesday will be much drier, and we're talking about triple-digit heat, especially down towards the south. And let me tell you what, it's going to be a toasty one down around Roswell and Carlsbad towards the end of the week. So here's your superstorm track overnight tonight. Of course, things will quiet down. The focus for showers will transition to the southeast. We'll see a spot shower or two into the northeast, but gradually things are really going to be quieting down towards the middle of the week. So taking it region by region, here's what you can expect overnight tonight. We'll be in the 40s. Highs tomorrow into the 80s with plenty of sunshine, and there's your 7-day forecast. A dry forecast is what it is, that's for sure. Highs will be in the 90s by the weekend. Matter of fact, in Durango, Farmington will pop a few 90s before then. Into the southwest, quiet day tomorrow, it looks like, with highs in the 80s and 90s. Plenty of sunshine as well, and not quite as toasty yet down here in the southeast, but still we'll see plenty of mid-90s and a few spot storms as well, but we'll quickly dry out heading into Wednesday, and there you go. We're popping those hundreds as early as Thursday, and heading into the weekend could hit as much as high as 106. Into the northeast, it will be a warm one tomorrow with highs in the 80s and even some 90s. We'll look for some showers to pop up again in Colfax County, also back to Union County. That is definitely not out of the realm of possibility. And, of course, some spot storms not out of the question, especially in the Sangre de Cristos. Meanwhile, Santa Fe, highs will be in the mid-80s. I think it's going to be quiet here. A lot of sunshine on the way, and highs will remain in the 80s well into Thursday before we pop some 90s. And for the East Mountains overnight, 40s, 50s, we'll keep it on the warm side, nearing 90 degrees for those highs tomorrow. And the metro area overnight tonight will be in the 50s to near 60 degrees, 80s and 90s for highs, and definitely going to be all about the sunshine. Keeping that sunshine around will allow the mercury to rise to the mid-90s as early as Friday and heading into the weekend. How about those 96s both Saturday and Sunday?
Seems kind of early to be climbing over 100. Am I wrong?
No, it happens. It does happen. So
feel bad for Roswell. I think it's